Hi, my name is Neil Anglin and I want to talk to you today about what exactly affiliate marketing is and its advantages. So, affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online. Essentially, you take someone else's product, you sell it, and you get a commission for that. You can, if it's a one-off payment, then it's a one-off sale, then you get a one-off commission. You may sell a monthly membership, and some affiliate companies, as long as that person is paying that monthly membership, you'll then get that monthly commission. That sounds great. So how would an affiliate marketer market the particular product? Well, there's lots of different ways, and in future emails we will go through lots of different ways of how this is done. I mean, we'll go through a couple of simple ones now. You could set up a website. If you set up a website and detail the product you want to sell and drive traffic to that website, if potential customers read what you've written on the website and they're interested, if they click your affiliate link and purchase the product, you then get that commission. Another way of doing it is writing a blog. So people write blogs for all sorts of different reasons, but if your blog is related to the product you're selling, then in one of your blog posts, if you talk about that product with leaving the affiliate link, that person may then go ahead and go on to buy that product, and then you'll get commission for that. A common way to promote a product in affiliate marketing is using email marketing. So that's where you obtain a list of email addresses. Usually the list will be people interested in that particular product. You then compose an email and send that email out to the list of potential buyers, and people that are interested will click the link and buy the product. Again, you gaining commission. Like I said, there's lots of other avenues of promoting your product to people online, and we'll talk about that in future emails. What I want to do today is really just talk about the advantages of affiliate marketing. The biggest advantage I see is the fact that you choose the product. There are thousands of products out there and thousands of affiliate companies out there, and you get to choose. You're your own boss. So, for example, my biggest tip here is to pick a product that you know something about, not just know something about, but are really passionate about. Because when you talk to potential customers and you really know what you're talking about, they'll see that in you, and then they'll trust you to then go on to click your link and then purchase your product. So, if you know about your product, people are going to trust you. Because because you're your own boss, you can set your own hours. You can take a vacation when you want, and even if you've got a day job, for example, you can do the affiliate marketing job alongside your day job. For example, you can work during the day and do your affiliate marketing business in the evenings or at weekends. Or if you have other commitments during the day, for example, childcare or school runs, you can do that and then get on with your affiliate marketing business, in between times. The other advantages of being your own business is you can take the business in whatever direction you want. If you literally want to just earn a few £1,000s or dollars per month, then you can do that. You can set things up so you've got a residual passive income coming through. But if you really want to scale up, that can also be done, earning tens of thousands per month, 50, even 100,000 a month. The sky's the limit here. Because it's an online business, it can be done from anywhere in the world. So you're not restricted to your house, you're not restricted to your workplace. You can just, as long as you can get an internet connection, you can do this business. And the other advantage of being an online business is you can market to the entire world. Well, the entire world that has an internet connection at least. If you think about a shop, a shop can only sell to those people that walk past the shop and then walk into the shop. Because if you don't walk into the shop, the seller in the shop can't really sell to you. Whereas on the internet, your shop is basically the world, which makes the potential here huge. Also, being an online business, you make money while you sleep. Well, you can make money while you sleep. A shop has to close, but if you set things up, you've got your blog out there, or you've got your website out there, you've got email marketing going through, then you may wake up, you could have sales going on while you sleep, and then when you wake up in the morning, you check your inbox, check your sales, and you have a whole list of sales. Wouldn't that be great? So that's just another advantage of the online affiliate marketing business. One more advantage is there's no production costs. This will save you time and money. If you think about it, if you've got a product, if you're trying to develop a product or thinking of a product, first of all, you've got to think of the product, then you've got to develop it, then you've got to do the marketing for it, set up all the marketing materials for it, and in the end of the day, you may have developed a product that you think is great, but when you put it out there to the public, maybe no one will buy it. And if that's the case, then you have to go back to square one and develop another product. With affiliate marketing, just to link it with affiliate marketing, if you did pick a product and then you find out actually the product wasn't as good as you thought it was, the sales were not really there, because you develop the skills in affiliate marketing, you can scrap that product and pick up another product. You don't have to develop another product, and you put a lot of time, money and energy into developing the product. You can just pick a different product and start promoting in place of the one that didn't work so well for you. There are low startup costs with affiliate marketing. All you really need is a computer and an internet connection to get started. There are obviously other things you can use. There are other add-ons that we'll talk about in future emails that will help your business. But essentially, as long as you can plug into the internet, a lot of the affiliate marketing programs are free to join, and and along with that, the companies, they want you to succeed. Therefore, they will supply you with all the marketing materials that you need to get started. So that's just, again, another advantage of affiliate marketing. There's no sales experience required. Like I said, the affiliate marketing companies, some of them do offer training, and like I said already, give you all the sales and marketing things that you need to really get started. Another advantage being no employees. So, I mean, I don't know if any of you guys already run your own businesses with employees. Obviously, there's a cost for that, and sometimes employees can bring their own issues to a business as well. If, however, there are certain projects that you need doing, that's not to say that you have to do all the work yourself. We'll take a website, for example. If you need to make a website, but you don't know how to make a website, and you don't really have the time or inclination to learn how to make a website, having said that, I think that's quite a good skill to have. But if it really doesn't interest you, you can, as long as you have the idea of what you want to do, you can then outsource that particular task to somebody else. Websites I recommend would be Fiverr.com or People Per Hour. You find someone on there that can, a freelancer that will do the work for you, and then you just pay them for the work that's done. So, not a permanent member of staff, just somebody that you use just on a as and when required basis. Another advantage of affiliate marketing is you're not required to process any of the payments. All that happens is the potential customer clicks your link, they go directly to the parent company. The company deals with all the sales. They deal with the inventory. You don't need to store any inventory. They'll deal with all that. You don't need to deal with any shipping because the parent company will do all that. And also the customer service. Once you've made that sale, you don't really have to be the customer service person for that company. The company will sort that out. So again, another great advantage of being affiliate marketing. It means you can just concentrate on the marketing and get your commissions in, for every sale that you make. So that wraps it up for today's my talk today. I'd like to thank you for listening to me. My next video, which I'll send out in a couple of days, will show you how to get started with affiliate marketing in 6 easy steps. If you want to find out more about affiliate marketing, or if you want to find out how to skyrocket your affiliate marketing business, please click the link below and there's be more information there. Thank you again, and I'll speak to you soon.